Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial showing you guys how to make these super cute little witch clips. And I'm sure you guys have seen these. I don't know if I filmed a video on these a few years back when I seen Erica Scrap Diva 29 make them. But I wanted to make another video for anyone who hasn't seen them and wants to incorporate them in their projects. They are so fun and so easy to make. And you can clip them on to a treat bag. Like, it'll transform any little Halloween treat. They're super cute. Let me show you guys the ones that I've made. How adorable are these? And you guys can literally do them in like 5 minutes, maybe even less. Is that not the cutest? Now all you need is a 2.5 inch circle punch and then a 1 inch punch, which you will punch in the middle. There's your 1 inch circle. Punch that in your 2.5 inch punch, and that's gonna be the rim of your hat. And then you're gonna do 2 inch triangles. I cut these with my Cricut just so they could be perfect, and then I just cut one, and then I started cutting off, like tracing that one triangle. But you can do it by hand if you want. I'm using a little bow to decorate my hats. These bows are from AliExpress. Gotta put them to use, you guys. And then I have these little clothespins, little tiny ones. I'm gonna tell you, they're about 1 inch, I think. About 1.5 inches. So these are 1.5 inches. Tiny little clothespins. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna add glue to the top of your clothespin. You're going to attach your triangle piece right on top. Center it as best as you can. Then you're going to add your other triangle to the other side. And you're going to try to make sure that they're nice and even. You see that? Just move it around so it's nice and even as best as possible. And you should be left with something that looks like this. Can you guys see that? So your two triangles are on top of the clothespins. Now what I want to do here is I kind of want to ink the orange on this hat. Give it a little Halloweeny look. See that? Kind of changes the look a little bit. Then you take your triangle piece and you put it right through. And then you're just going to add some hot glue right there to keep the rim laying down. So you're just going to add some glue right in here. You're going to hold that down. Oops, hold on. Right there, I might have put too much glue right here. Let's take that off. Okay, so you hold that down, and then you do the same thing on the opposite side. I need these little gluey bits. Okay. And you just make sure you even it out. See that? And there's your clip, you guys. See that? And then we're going to add the little black bow right to the center. And you don't have to put these bows. You can put paper bows. You can put flowers. You can do anything you want. I chose to put the little bows because I like the way they look. But yeah, you guys, super quick and easy. Put them over a treat bag. And look at that. Super fun, quick little Halloween project. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye, guys.